Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing my first sit down video. I decided to do a room tour today because it's something that I'm really passionate about, and I've definitely grown in my interior design skills recently, just recently, because before this whole room was blue and it looked crazy and there was no sort of theme or aesthetic to it, and I feel like I've really brought it together within a couple months, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. Okay guys, so this is what you initially see when you first walk in the room, and I'm just gonna start with the closet doors because I feel like those are the things that stand out the most. These are from Teza. If you don't know who Teza is, let me see if there's a picture of her on here. I think these are her eyes. She is an influencer on Instagram, and she creates these really cool collage kits is what they're called. And I was actually going to, I also have this dream catcher right here that I don't even know where I got it. It's so old, but I figured why not just keep it and put it on my closet door. These are about I think they're $89 actually, exactly. You can get these on Teza.com, I'm pretty sure, and I have them on my Instagram highlights if you want to check them out even more. Pretty easy to put up. I might do a video on how to install these. So let me know if you guys would like to see that. So I got this rainbow set, and then I got this, which is right across from my bed, and it just says, "Take time to make your soul happy." It's a really good positive reinforcement to wake up to and just start the day off on the right note. Next, okay, I have a little bit of a story. This is a geode that I set on top of this container, but I just want to get through these and then I'll get to the story. As you can see, there's a crack. I'll get to it. I purchased this for $14.99 at HomeGoods. I think it's just really good, and I like that kind of airy vibe, and like the sunset when it hits this at 7 o'clock, it just looks so cool in the room. I also have this, which was a gift that I had in my old room, and I didn't really know what to do with it, so I just kind of set it next to the geode. These are really pricey. They're from Venus at Flora, and I just got a single rose for Valentine's Day from my mother, so thank you, Lisa. Okay, so last night I planned on filming this video today, which is Friday. Last night I was in bed and I just heard a big crash, and all of my stuff on here fell onto the ground except for the plant, and it basically shattered. So I don't recommend this actually, because after one drop it's broken. But it's really cute. So this is just a lacquered box that I use to carry in storage, just like some photo things, and like my cameras and stuff. So that's what I use this for. But I am gonna repurchase. I've just been hiding it super raunchy. Just been hiding it with a geode and making it look like off-center vibes. I have no idea what's going on. But I'm gonna show you guys what I keep in here. Okay, so here's the box. It's really falling apart. There's like cracks all up this back, but I'm sure it's washed out right now. So I just keep like disposables. I also keep my Polaroid. This is pretty much random things that I don't reach for, but if I wanted to reach for, I know like if I'm going out with my friends, I'm gonna be rushing out the door and I'm just gonna grab this, so I know where it is. And that's the kind of vibe that I do. I do have a receipt in here, which makes no sense. And then I just keep tons of Polaroids in here, because that's what I do. So yeah, this is what I use. I think that's one of my biggest things. Making sure that you have a place for everything is like a tip that I can give people, because I feel like when I reorganize things and when I look at other people's interior videos, I feel like it lacks a place for everything. Like, who would think to find a place for a Polaroid? Like, and it's just those things that go through my head, because I don't like not having a designated area for things. Like, I feel a little OCD about it. So that is the desk. I'm gonna put all this back, and then I'll continue on with the rest of the room. This is my bed. I have a queen size, which is an upgrade from my previous one. I have all white bedding, but I wanna talk about the frame first. This is I need to sweep, ignore it. This is just a metal frame. It is from IKEA. I don't remember the name, but I will find it and I'll link, everything will be linked down below. So if I don't know, don't worry, just scroll down and check it out and click the link. This bedding is just simple white bedding. You can pick it up anywhere. I don't even know where it's from. I think my mother purchased it. These are my throw pillows. These two are just kind of like adding fluff, and I wanted two big pillows. I just didn't know what color scheme I wanted, so I kind of went with like a not so matchy theme. And these were, I believe, $40 each at Target, which is still really pricey. I think Target's great. It just gets a little pricey at times, and that's when it gets not fun. This is from Urban Outfitters, the face. I've had it for years, so I think it's around 50 bucks, but it's a really good throw pillow, and you can actually get a dupe at Society6, so I'll link both. These are also from Target, and these are probably $25 each, if I do remember correctly. However, I'm sure they don't have them anymore. And these little pom-poms bug me when they're not there. Okay. So yeah, I just went with 3 different colors and I think it looks great. I also purchased this. I need to redo this and kind of figure out a way to stick this up without a hanging thing because I hate the yarn. But for now, that's what it is. And I kind of like that it's off center. This is just my Hello Neon sign and it is from Bed Bath & Beyond. A friend told me about how cheap they were. This was 20 bucks, you guys. Urban has them for like 50. Check out Bed Bath & Beyond. They have like a couple styles that are really cool. Okay guys, this is my desk area. It is so my favorite part of the room. Like, it came out so well. I'm gonna get this view because I feel like this is like the best view. Hey, this is me. Like, do you see just how great everything looks? I'm obsessed. So this mirror is from Home Goods. This is also me again. It's supposed to be set up vertically, I'm pretty sure, but I just did it horizontal with the shape of the desk. It looks way better. And I wanted to add some warmth, so I used gold. I think it came out really well. So let me know if you guys like it or hate it. This is the desk. So this is a physical desk. It has one big drawer that I'm not gonna show you because everything's such a mess, but it comes with a glass sheet over. It's from IKEA. It's super simple. And I didn't really need a big, thick desk because my room is so small, so I just got a skinny, skinny desk. We love skinny. Okay, now moving on. This is just an overlay of the goody goody gumdrops that I have on here. So this is just an acrylic, I don't even know what this would be called, but it's a shelf in a way. And I just store some of my fragrances. So I have a couple Jo Malones, like this is Wild Bluebell. This one's discontinued, so I don't know the name. And then this is Nectarine and Honey Blossom. So that one's really cool. And then I have a bunch of crystals up here. This is like a rose quartz rock that I picked up from Urban Outfitters. And that is actually, it was $12. So check those out. And I think they were on sale. So I purchased at a dumb time. So now they're on sale. These are all my crystals from House of Intuition. These are, I believe, night crystals. So I shouldn't have them out in the sunlight like I do, but they look pretty. So I don't really care. This is my, and just another fragrance from KKW. And then these are my face rollers, which I'm going to do a skincare video. Guys, invest in a face roller. It is literally life-changing. This is from Skin Gym. It's a little overpriced. You can definitely get a cheaper one. This came with a cheaper pack, and this just goes like, here, I'll show you. Just kind of goes under the eyes, and you can kind of scoop up with your face. So I recommend that if you're interested in a face roller. This is my Hydro. That is empty currently. This is just a mirror. I wanted a mirror that kind of just close up a little bit because I love to pick my skin, and you're clearly not going to focus, but I'm upside down now. And this was $25 from Costco actually. So thank you for this. And the shelf, the acrylic shelf again, is from Container Store. It was around $20, I believe. Moving on to my favorite section. This is like what blew up on Instagram story for me. This is my plant. This is the first touch of greenery that I added. It's clearly fake. I don't know if you can tell, but in real life it looks fake. It's from Target. It was like 15 bucks, super good price, and it's minimalistic. I recommend plants from Target. They're super cheap, unlike the throw pillows that we just talked about. This little plate, I'll pour, actually I'm not gonna pour everything out. I don't want to clean it up. This is just a little plate. It's actually an incense burner with all of the horoscope signs, or astrology, sorry. And I just put all my healing rocks and healing crystals in here, and I have like a little bracelet. Usually I have more jewelry in here, but it's all still being unpacked for my trip. And then lastly is just this little box. It stores my contacts. And this was 25 bucks in Manhattan Beach at a boutique. And I love this. It definitely pulls this whole section together. And it's super unique. And I feel like I like those pieces instead of everything like being from Target or Urban. This is just like unique and no one else can really get it. It's one of a kind. So I think it's cool. And then I think that is it, guys. I'm gonna film the outro and we'll be out. Thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it if you're still here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the videos that I'm posting. I'm definitely gonna start posting more. I haven't gotten on a specific posting schedule, but it's definitely gonna be coming soon, and I'm getting more comfortable with the camera. So please bear with me if this video was a little bit off in some editing things because it's all new. But thanks so much. Bye, guys.